First of all, I just want to send my thoughts and prayers to everyone in Cebu right now who's been affected by the recent earthquake. And I know times like this can feel overwhelming, and I hope for safety, healing, and the strength for all the families going through it right now. So, yeah, welcome to my podcast. And today I'm going to talk about something close to my heart, the struggles of kasambahays, nannies, or domestic helpers in the Philippines, and how it connects to my book, Echoes of a Young Nanny or a Voice for the Voiceless. And recently, the Commission on Human Rights in the Philippines released a statement about Elvi Vergara, a kasambahay who suffered years of maltreatment and abuse. And sadly, her story is not unusual. In fact, surveys have found that about 30% of domestic workers there have experienced some form of abuse, and a separate study also revealed that the most vulnerable age for sexual abuse among these workers is just 11 to 20 years old. Imagine that. Kids and young women supposed to be safe, instead working in private homes where abuse often goes unseen. So now for my viewers out there all over the world, this is a very big hidden problem in the Philippines. Domestic helpers or nannies are often hired out of poverty, sometimes starting work as children, and while laws exist to protect them, abuse still happens behind closed doors. Many of these workers don't have the resources or the power to speak up, so their suffering stays invisible. That's why I wrote my book, because it's not only a personal story of Miley, a leading character of my book, because but it's also a way to shine light on these untold experiences. Because behind every statistic is a real person, someone's daughter, someone's sisters, whose dignity and safety matter. So the question is, what can we do? It starts with awareness. We cannot stop the abusers, but by talking about it, recognizing that this problem exists, we give the strength to those who can speak for themselves. And my hope is that readers of my book and listeners of this podcast can see how important it is to treat every worker, no matter where they came from, with respect and humanity. So, yeah, that's it for today. And thank you for tuning in. And if you'd like my book and to read about more deeply about it, it's available now at Amazon and Google Play. So, hope you like my video for today. And next time again. Bye.